Red onions are more than just a kitchen staple, they are packed with flavor, nutrition, and history. From their vibrant color to their powerful health benefits, discover why red onions have been treasured for centuries. Red onions, with their deep crimson layers and pungent aroma, have been a staple in culinary traditions for centuries. Unlike their white or yellow counterparts, red onions possess a striking color and a subtly sweet yet sharp flavor that sets them apart. Their journey begins in the fertile soils of various regions across the world, where they thrive under specific climatic conditions. Farmers carefully select seeds, ensuring that the crop will yield onions with a robust structure and intense pigmentation. The growing process requires patience, with months of nurturing before these bulbs reach their full potential. Sunlight, water, and well-balanced soil nutrients play crucial roles in shaping their flavor and texture. As they mature, their outer skins turn from pale pink to a deep, rich maroon, signaling readiness for harvest. The scent of freshly unearthed onions fills the air as farmers pull them from the ground, leaving them to dry under the sun to enhance their storability and reduce moisture content. This crucial step ensures that red onions maintain their crispness and longevity before they embark on their journey to markets and kitchens worldwide. Once harvested, red onions find themselves in the heart of bustling marketplaces, their vivid hues drawing the attention of chefs and home cooks alike. Vendors stack them in large wicker baskets, the papery skins rustling as customers select the best ones. Their versatility makes them a sought-after ingredient, suitable for raw consumption in salads, caramelization in slow-cooked dishes, or pickling for a tangy crunch. In many cultures, red onions are more than just an ingredient, they are a symbol of rich culinary heritage. In Mediterranean cuisine, thinly sliced red onions bring a refreshing bite to Greek salads and gyros. In Indian households, they form the foundation of countless curries, their sweetness emerging as they soften in ghee or oil. Mexican salsas and garnishes gain a vibrant contrast with the addition of finely chopped red onions, complementing the heat of chili peppers. Their natural antioxidants and high sulfur content contribute not only to their distinctive taste but also to their health benefits, making them an essential part of nutritious diets. Beyond their culinary appeal, red onions hold a place in traditional medicine and holistic health practices. Rich in quercetin, a powerful antioxidant, they are believed to support heart health, reduce inflammation, and boost the immune system. Ancient healing traditions recognized the potency of onions, using them in herbal remedies for colds, infections, and digestive issues. Some cultures even placed sliced onions in homes, believing they could absorb toxins and ward off illnesses. Modern scientific research continues to uncover the benefits of red onions, linking their compounds to reduced cholesterol levels and improved circulation. The sulfur compounds that contribute to their strong aroma also aid in detoxification processes within the body, supporting liver function and overall well-being. The nutritional profile of red onions extends beyond their medicinal properties, as they are a low-calorie food rich in vitamin C and B6, essential minerals like potassium, and dietary fiber. Their natural antibacterial properties make them a valuable addition to diets aimed at promoting gut health and fighting infections. The role of red onions extends into cultural and historical narratives, where they have been revered not only as food but also as symbols of strength and resilience. In ancient civilizations, onions were offered to gods and used as currency in trade. The Egyptians considered onions sacred, believing their concentric rings symbolized eternity. Workers who built the pyramids were reportedly fed onions to maintain strength and stamina. In medieval Europe, onions were a prized commodity, often given as gifts or used to pay rent. Their significance in folklore and superstition varies across cultures. Some believed that placing an onion under a pillow could bring prophetic dreams, while others used them in rituals to ward off evil spirits. Despite their humble appearance, red onions have woven themselves into the fabric of human history, their presence enduring across generations and geographical boundaries. As modern agriculture and culinary innovation continue to evolve, the future of red onions remains promising. Farmers explore sustainable growing methods, reducing pesticide use and adopting organic farming practices to meet the growing demand for healthier produce. Culinary experts experiment with new ways to incorporate red onions into gourmet dishes, from onion-infused sauces to innovative plant-based creations. The rise of global cuisines has further propelled the popularity of red onions, introducing them to new palates and cooking traditions. Even in an era dominated by fast food and convenience meals, the allure of fresh, flavorful, and nutrient-rich ingredients keeps red onions relevant. Their ability to enhance both the simplest of dishes and the most complex recipes ensures that they will continue to hold a cherished place in kitchens worldwide. As food culture evolves, one thing remains certain: red onions will persist as a timeless, indispensable ingredient, bringing color, depth, and vitality to every meal they grace. Whether enhancing your favorite dishes or boosting your health, red onions remain an essential ingredient in kitchens worldwide. Their bold taste and incredible benefits ensure they will never go out of style.